did it, Joe. You guys, when I tell you, sorry, I got retainers, so I'm talking a little weird. When I tell you it has been a journey to get to this point, good luck. I'm going to try and help you so you do not go through the troubles I went through. There are definitely things that I could have done differently, and if you're trying to look for a New York City apartment, then keep watching. We're gonna talk about it. The struggle I have been going through recently is, so I got this apartment, I paid for the full month of January. It's supposed to be move-in ready by January 1st, right? So I thought. But the issue is that when I came into the apartment on January 7th, that's 7 days after the 1st, or 6 days, I don't know. You do the math and tell me. Again, sorry, these retainers, I can't. I did not have a fridge, and number 2, the entire apartment reeked of gas. So you guys, it's been a crazy hectic couple of days. As you can see, I got a national grid thing. The gas company had to come out and figure this shit out. We got it fixed. My fridge still is not plugged in because we figured out that my outlet is broken on that side, so we're trying to figure that out too. But it's okay. We're making it work. The apartment is actually so adorable and so cute, and I'm so excited to move in. It's just that I haven't been able to do that because, you know, gas in the apartment. Can't move in when there's gas in the apartment. But we're making it work, and I'm really excited, and you guys are gonna come along for that process, and I hopefully will be more used to my retainers.
So as you watch me hang my curtains, and I'm being so successful while doing it, I'm going to explain to you 5 tips that you should really consider. Number 1, document everything. Anytime you view an apartment that you were considering, take a full video of it and keep it. I am so happy that I did this because I was able to look back and see that things were broken. And I put it in writing that, hey, confirming these things will be fixed. They confirmed yes. And then as soon as I moved in, they were not fixed. Hence, the issues that I'm still going through now. Number 2, look up your tenant rights. Know exactly what the landlord can do, know exactly what they cannot do. Because surprisingly, there's a lot that they cannot do, but guess what? They still do it. Number 3, take out your phone right now, 311 in your notes section, title it emergency contact. Because I promise you, if you are having issues with your landlord, you will be calling that number like it's on speed dial. I made friends with some of the representatives because I called them so much to report my landlord because she was just doing illegal things and it was completely wrong and I wanted it documented. And she also gives these reports to know that, hey, I'm calling you out too and I'm documenting everything. Number 4, and this is probably the most important one, it is illegal for your landlord to intimidate you. I had my landlord literally calling me. She wanted to get nothing in writing. She would call me out the blue just to yell at me and say extremely microaggressive things, saying that I'm an angry person and that angry people shouldn't be living in her house and that she wanted me out and that I needed to move out and that I'm a squatter, all because I wanted her to fix the things that should have been already fixed. Like, I should have had a fridge. I shouldn't be coming into my apartment and smelling gas. I shouldn't have to light the pilot light every time I want to cook on my stove. Like little things like that that are necessities that are written in the contract that these will be taken care of. She would call me and saying that I was being too difficult. Number 5, it's probably a red flag to have to pay for a broker because it shows how crappy the landlord is, but honestly, my broker was amazing. She was another Black woman. She was kind enough to be like, listen, if you want to move, I will give you my broker's fee back and you get that peace of mind to leave.
I decided that I'm going to put a snake plant in the boot so I can officially say that there's a snake in my boot. Maybe I should do this. Any plant doctors out there, I know you're cringing. You're cringing. Again, if you're a perfectionist, trigger warning. Let's sit on it. Oh, it's so comfortable. I put the chairs on upside down. So now I gotta take them off. Time to put the mirror in place. I did this spray very sloppily, but it's okay because I like the way it came out. So a lot of my pictures are falling off the wall, so we have to also figure that out, but that's okay. It's coming together. It looks so good. It's important that you also use your resources, you guys. I reached out to my neighbors, and not surprising, they also were going through the same things that I were going through. The family at the bottom have been living here for years, and they're very used to her shenanigans, so they were able to help me talk through what I was going through, and the people beneath me were also going through issues. So we ended up creating a group chat and then basically attacking her together because there is power in numbers. So they were kind enough to step in and be like, hey, this chick needs a stove. Like, you're being ridiculous. I was wanting like a bamboo material rug, but I wanted to make sure that it was still soft enough so if I didn't have shoes on, it wasn't gonna hurt my feet. So let's test it out. Is it the most comfortable? No. Can I totally live with it? Absolutely.
Right. I'm sorry to hear that. Are you looking to cancel a feature such as a premium channel, a service such as internet, or everything?
Everything.
Are you moving?
Yes.
Will you be reconnecting service at your new address?
No.
Let me find someone to help you. Please hold. Thank you for calling the Optimum Retention Department. We are currently closed. Our hours of operations are Monday through Friday.
Today has been a glorious day. Actually, yesterday was a glorious day. So yesterday I decided, you know what? I'm going to pay rent. It's 2 days early, but let me do it. This week is going to be insane at work. Let me just do it and get it over with. And I've honestly been like contemplating if I was even going to pay this lady rent. She already accused me of being a squatter, saying that I was refusing her to pay rent, even though I literally paid her first month security deposit and a broker's fee. So I'm like, make it make sense, ma'am. How can I refuse to pay rent if I already paid you? Please explain. Make it make sense. Anyway, I decided to not be petty, and I'm sure if I needed to withhold rent, there are definitely different legal actions that I needed to take, like setting up an escrow account, whatever. Don't have the time to do that. So I just decided, you know what? I'm going to pay her for this month. And if next month she does not give me a stove, then we're just going to have to take some actions. You guys, as soon as I pay her, she like switches up. It's like we've never had issues at all. Like, it's like she's just now meeting me. She's like, you know what? Measure your stove. I'm going to get you a new stove. It's being delivered on Thursday. Ma'am? Like, who are you? Are you the same lady I've been talking to? Or do you have a twin? I was like, it took me a month. I'm not going to complain. At this point, at least I have
a stove on the way. And that is literally all that matters to me at this point. Now I can finally enjoy my apartment for what it's worth and actually be excited about my living space. I honestly am still really excited. I cannot wait to show and like give a full tour of how it looks like, because I've just been going all out on decorations, definitely been spending a lot of money, but it's okay. It's my first place, you know. Y'all, today is oh my gosh, I just left my door wide open. Today is a glorious day. My hair's supposed to, I'm so sorry. It's okay. You know why? Because I got a new stove! And it works. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. It's very light. You can barely see it, but it indeed works. And I don't think I've been happier. Y'all, today is my last day working from home, which I'm really sad about, but it's probably a good thing because I probably should leave the house at some point. This weekend I didn't leave, but that's okay because I was doing my hair, which needed to be done. Y'all saw. But I don't know, I'm looking at my room. There's still like a few things that I need to get done, but I'm obviously loving the way that it's coming out. Let me flip the screen so y'all can see. Like, it's fully a vibe. This plant definitely helped to add charisma and some character, and I think that this side of the room is definitely done. But then we have this side, which is just a boring white wall. I don't know, you guys. It just looks bland. Like something needs to be on this wall, but I already have so much color. But why not have more? I don't know. I'm gonna keep thinking about it. Yeah, we're getting there. We're almost there. Delilah definitely helped to liven things up, but I think we need one more thing on this wall. Update, my friends. I am obsessed with my stove. Well, you can't see it now, but I've literally only made like 2 things on it. But the stove has been lovely. I also went dumpster diving and I found this on the ground. It's like a tile thing, and I've been just using it to put like utensils for when I'm cooking. Just like the giant spoons, the little tong things to hold it in place so I can keep using it, and then I just put it on my stove. I also found this drying rack on the ground. How long I'm gonna keep this, I don't know, because it's pretty big. It doesn't, like, I can't fit it on the side. I also found this. I don't think this is a coaster, but that is what I'm using it for. I think this is like a candle holder or something, but I don't know. I thought it was cute, so I'm putting it here, and it is my new coaster. Look how perfectly my cup holder is working. One side cup holder, one side retainer holder. This is truly not what this is for, but it is working out perfectly for me. Good morning. I hate that noise. Gosh. That's one thing. Like, I don't ever want to turn on my bathroom, like, because it's just a constant fan. It's probably because I just woke up and I have a headache, but I also woke up and my eye was pink. I don't know. I want to continue on doing more decorations in my apartment. I'm actually really excited about it. I know I don't look excited. I think it's because I'm about to start my period and I'm like breaking out and not cool. Anyway, we are gonna continue on with the decorations in the apartment. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is finish this vinyl wall. I finally ordered more shelves, so we're gonna finish stacking the shelves so I can complete this wall. We just got some shelves like these. They came in a pack of 12, so I think that's the perfect amount. I might have some left over, but I broke one, so it's not gonna be like completely even. I think I'm gonna do like 3 at the bottom instead of like 4. And I have a feeling this is not even, but neither was the other ones. Right, Justin? Right. Actually, I'm gonna have a lot of shelves left over. Why did I think I needed this many shelves? Okay, so I could fit about 4 more, which will leave me with 3. I guess I won't have that many left over, and it would complete the perfect wall. So yeah, this low-key works out great. I have like 5 left over, but one of them's not in like a real case, so it's the Amy Winehouse one that's like framed right here. So I think I'm just gonna put that like behind something else, and the perfect vinyl wall is gonna be complete, y'all. It's definitely not perfect, but I think it looks really good so far, and like I can move like the vinyls to kind of make it more even and frame it how I want. So it looks so good already. Wow, I did that. I would just like to say, and I know this is just the first video, but I am editing this a year and a half later. I know it took forever. I'm sorry. I mean, you guys didn't know I was doing this. Anyway, that's not the point. I am just so proud of myself. Like, this process had to have been so isolating for me. It was a really hard time. I was doing this while still working a full-time job. My sister came for a little bit to help me at the beginning, but for the most part, I was doing this completely by myself, and I did not give up. And I truly felt in good spirits, but like, as you can see, like I was going through it. I look at it now and it's like, I was stressed, my skin was breaking out, I was getting these rashes, pink eye. Like, I'm a healthy person, like I do not go through things like this. So when I look back and I see this, like, it is clear that my body was reacting to everything I was going through, but I did not stop, and I fully pushed on, and I cannot wait till you guys see the final results, because this apartment has been my sanctuary. Even with all the mess, it has been my safe space. So yeah, just feeling really proud right now.